Sheesh. Rich? Which one should we take out? The E92 or the GTS? Damn, I miss this car so much. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to a brand new video. Welcome back to the channel. Make sure to hit the subscribe button, like button, turn on the post notifications, follow me on Instagram. The reason why we have the E92 out is because today there's a pre-meet for naturally aspirated motors from BMW. So I figured, why not bring the E92 M3 out? There's gonna be E46, E36, E30, E92 M3s. I'm sure there's gonna probably be some like V10s, the M6, the M5s. So I was like, you know what? We'll leave the M4 at home because the M4 is turboed. I was like, I'll pull out the E92, we'll go on the V8. See, this is why I don't want to get rid of my E92, because of stuff like this. And like I said, I just love this car so freaking much, guys, that it's a very special car to me. It's my first M car, and I don't think I could ever sell this car, like ever. I don't think so. So, but yeah, guys, I hope you guys do enjoy the vlog. I'll pick up the camera a little bit later. Right now, we're gonna go put some gas in the E92, probably gonna wash the E92, and then we're gonna go meet up with a couple of homies and go to this car meet for this pre-meet, because there's gonna be an actual meet on the weekend. So you guys will have to stay tuned for that vlog. But I was like, you know what? I rarely drive the E92, and I figured it's a naturally aspirated meet. Why not pull up in the M3? So let's go. All right, so we have 44 miles of gas left. How much you guys think it's gonna cost me to fill up the E92 M3? And the gas price here is at $5.43, as you guys can see. And we only put V-Power, of course. Curious to know. All right, we're at 39, about to hit 40. I think it's gonna fill up at like 90 bucks, I think. But guys, the E92 needs a wash ASAP. Look how dirty this freaking car is. Look at that. If you guys can look closely, look at that. Oh my gosh, dude. It's unacceptable, KG. How you gonna have your whip looking like that? That looks nasty, bruh. The wheels are for sure. Look at this. Watch, you guys wanna see something? Look at this. Oh my, bro. That fool's just chilling on there. Don't mind the cracked fender, guys. Crack the fender. Okay, keep going. 76? No way, 76 bucks? I guess. $76. Look at that full tank. Let's pop this in M mode. Let's go in some sound clips. Tired of the sound, guys. And for those of you that want to know, we got 330 miles on a full tank. Car is super dirty. All right, guys, back from the car wash. She is all nice and cleaned up. Let me show y'all the interior. Sheesh. Hella clean. Ready for the car meet tonight. Come to the back, all cleaned up. We got the wheels nice and cleaned up. These are the worst wheels to clean, guys, in the world. They're literally such a pain. But once they're clean, they look beautiful. But yeah, damn, the car looks so freaking good. All right, guys, some hours have passed. We got my E92, we got the homie Chris and Noe in the M2 competition. We got a beautiful Porsche here, a very nice color. I think it's the owner of CSF, but it's super clean. Check that out. He said he just came back from the track and he stopped by. We got a 1 Series. This is not NA. It's not NA, G. You're not even supposed to park here. It's NA only. But yeah, we got the 135 IS. That's pretty rare. You always see the 135s, but not the IS. The ISs are pretty rare. Dual clutch. And we got the homie Nikon with the M8 Grand Coupe. V8 bi-turbo. No turbo cars allowed. Beautiful E36 M3. Alpine white. Looking super clean on BBSs. God damn, that shit is nice, dude. I love the E36 M3s. We got the homie Alex, beautiful E92 M3 6-speed manual. Got the performance seats in there. Look at all the carbon up here. God damn. Super nice E92 M3. Beautiful E36 M3 on air suspension. I can't tell if this is paint or wrap, but it looks freaking good. Got the Recaro seats in there, got the cage. God damn. That is clean. Beautiful E92 M3 on the E88s. Oh my gosh, buddy. You gotta be careful with that lip, homie. Ooh, my boy barely made it. Barely made it. Damn, that shit nice. Oh, E90 M3. Should we do those headlights? Or should I keep the ones that I have now? Look at the steering wheel, guys. This is the JQ Works steering wheel. This is the steering wheel I want to get next for the E92 M3 and for the M4. All these little buttons light up right here. It's pretty cool. Sheesh. The homie Ara, E46 M3. What's up, G? She's clean. And this girl whipping the E92 M3 on TEs. They both have M3s. That's goals right there. Carbon roof, LCI on TEs. We got another E92 M3. I think this is jet black, if I'm not mistaken. Got some wheels on there. Shit, nice. You got the red interior, black on red, always a nice combination. The E9X. We got a 1 Series, another 135 IS. The 135 ISs are rare, I'm telling you guys. You do not see them at all, so it's pretty crazy to actually see 2 of them in the same lot. We got the 5 Series, pretty rare too. You don't see a lot of E39s, especially like the M5, E39 M5s. You don't see them a lot. We got another E92 M3. I think this one's Jerez black or jet black. It's crazy because like once it gets dark, you can't tell if they're Jerez black or jet black. But Jerez black has like a hint of blue. Jet black is just straight black. But as you can see, he's on the Apex wheels as well. Very nice. Then we got the M2 competition, Hockenheim silver. Very clean. Look at that. It's fire. And behind it, beautiful E90 M3. I think it's wrapped like a chalk gray on the Apex wheels as well. Got the red interior. That's pretty clean. I like how he did the door handles black. It's pretty different. You don't see that too often. As you come to the back, he's got the CSL trunk. That's pretty clean. In carbon as well. As you can see the details in the carbon back there. LCI. It's very nice. And last but not least, you've got ketchup and mustard. 2 E36 M3s. One in the coupe, one in the sedan. Very clean. Actually, this one is right-hand drive. Check that out. Steering wheel's on the right side. It's hella nice. I think this color's called Hellrot Red, if I'm not mistaken, on the E36. Or Melbourne? Actually, I don't know, guys. Correct me. Very nice. Got the Montana plates. Here we've got the car yellow E36 M3. This is actually the homie Hoves. Super clean. Very nice 4-door. Like I said, you don't really see the 4-doors too much. So this is pretty special and rare. Sheesh. Got the, I think that's the 5 Series. We got 2 more BMWs pulling in. Check that out. We've got 4 Series. Okay, with the big wing. And we've got another 3 Series. Damn, look at the exhaust. Holy shit. That's just crazy. Let's go inside the shop real quick though. Rich. Look at that. Remember when we came, though? Yeah, I bought all of them. Yeah, I know. Your dad was going all crazy. He literally bought all of them. That's sick. Check that out. This one's hard right here. That's fire. Damn, look at those. All the toy car ones. Huh. The little bench is a skateboard. Ooh, look at that, the M3 GT2. Fire. Look at that one. Let's go inside the showroom real quick. Oh my gosh, bro. Fire. Look at this. That's freaking clean. Look how Damn, those posters old. Damn, that is pretty sick. With the blue on there. That's pretty sick. Garage wheel. E88s. The steering wheel. Damn, the floor mats. We got the beanies. Which is crazy, huh? The Ferrari F40. Okay. E36. Damn, bro. It's wild. Check this out, guys. E91 M3 conversion. In fire orange, the same color as my E92. E91 M3. That's just sick, bro. That is fire. What does this say? Garage well. Oh, it's got like all the motors, naturally aspirated motors. I've had this lip before too on the E92. I had the GTS lip. Should we put it back? Or should we keep the GT4 lip? I think I like the GT4 lip. It looks more aggressive. That shit looks crazy, bro. Damn, shit's so clean though. In the perfect color too. Let's check the engine bay though real quick. Damn, look at all that carbon in there. I want to do the CD92. There's a clean E90 M3. Alpine white on the E88s. God damn, shit fire. Alpine white on the gold color. Sick. The Homie John's clean M2. Very nice with the yellow DRLs and the red color. Gives it a nice contrast on the BBSs. Very clean M2. Shit's sick. Rich! What's up, G?
How are you?
Good, how are you?
Happy Thursday. Bro.
Happy Thursday, my G. Thirsty Thursday, G.
You don't have a natural aspirated. Shit. Look who it is. They said you were talking to a
Damn, the whole squad is down here? David's out here too?
Look at puppy.
Fool came like 1,000 miles away? Damn, bro. Damn. Bro, that shit looks orange. Bro, it looks orange. It's like we're twin. Bro, on camera, I swear it looks orange.
I'm your twin. Yeah, on camera it looks orange.
That's crazy. We're under some good gas station lighting. They almost look identical. I swear, like when on camera when we're driving, it looks orange. I feel like his car is like orange but like faded. It looks sick though. The two cars like that together, it looks hard as fuck. Damn, that shit, dude. Hugo's literally my twin. We literally have the same headlights, same lip, almost the same style wheels. That shit looks crazy together. Looks crazy, brother.
What's up, brother?
Rich.
I was eating you, huh?
Yeah, bro. You fast, boy. You fast.
Faster than DCT, brother.
Rich.
I'm the actual DCT, brother.
It looks crazy, bro. We're almost identical. Same headlights, same lip, everything, bro. I'm telling you, when you were rolling, I'm telling you, that shit looks orange, bro. Sheesh. Look who we met up with. The BMW King.
Yeah.
M King. Met up with some of the homies. We got the homie Brandon with the M3 CS. We got my 92. We got Mo's R8. And we got Nikon and the M8. The homie Mo. Nikon.
Where's the Lambo? Where's the rental?
Calling you out, G.
Where's the rental?
Guys, if you guys look at Air's shirt. Air's professional BMW coder. Rich, my boy doing big moves out here. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. Hope you guys did enjoy it. Make sure to hit the subscribe and the like button. Turn on the post notifications. Follow me on Instagram. I'll see you guys on the next video. Take care. Peace.